Hello everyone, welcome back to Learn with SAMYZ. This is day 4 of our 30-day spoken English challenge. Today we are going to learn how to speak English with your family. Think about it. How many times do you say these sentences every day? Mom, what's for dinner? Dad, where are my keys? Can you help me? I'm going to my room. We use these sentences every single day. If you start speaking these English sentences at home, your English will improve much faster. So don't just watch these videos, speak with me, repeat with me. Let's begin. Good morning, mom. How are you today? Can I help you? What are you cooking? It smells delicious. I am hungry. What's for dinner? Thank you for the food. Repeat after me naturally. Where are you going? When will you come back? Can you drop me at school? Can I borrow your phone? I finished my homework. Can you check it? Thank you, Dad. Now repeat together. What are you doing? What are you doing? Let's play together. Let's play together. Please don't touch my things. Please don't touch my things. Can you help me? Can you help me? Let's watch TV. Let's watch TV. Turn the volume down. Turn the volume down. You are funny. You are funny. Good night. Good night. Repeat all sentences. Now let's practice a real conversation.
Good morning, Mom. How are you?
I'm fine. Thank you. Are you hungry?
Yes, I am very hungry.
Breakfast is ready.
Thank you.
Please eat quickly.
Okay, Mom.
One more conversation.
Did you finish your homework?
Yes, I did.
Very good.
Can you check it?
Sure.
Thank you.
Excellent. This is exactly how native speakers practice simple English every day. Today, try to speak at least 5 of these sentences with your family members. Don't worry about making mistakes. The more you speak, the faster you will improve. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Tomorrow, we will learn another set of sentences you will use every day. Until then, keep practicing, keep speaking, and remember, small daily practice creates big English improvements.